Our chicken wings is ready here. And my son Prabal here. And my other son Prakrit is here, who's going to try them. Prakrit got 3 wings. Right? Are you gonna taste?
Yes.
And let mommy know how it is?
Yeah. It's good.
Good? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay. Slow down, Prakrit. What are you doing? Slow down.
I think Parker is just think he's too slow at eating, so now he's gonna eat back.
Is it that nice, Prakrit?
Yeah. Can I eat another chicken?
Yeah, you can have another one. How many do you think you can finish it?
I'm just doing one bite. I'm doing one bite.
Just one bite?
Yeah.
In one go? How many chicken wings do you think you can finish it today?
1 billion.
1 billion. What about you? Is it really
Probably
nice,
10.
Prakrit?
Probably have to finish 10.
Yeah?
I think 10 is not for me. Because it's so tiny. I'll eat 11.
11. Oh, that's big.
My size then. I'm eating the chicken skin. Oh, what do?
You got chicken bones there.
Last one, but come on, more. No.
Nice. Is that your last one?
No, this is not my last one. I eat more.
I can bring some more if you want.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, please.
Ooh, is that your last one, Prakrit?
Yeah. No.
Yes?
No. No.
Nice. Ooh, lovely.
More. Once more.
You want some more too?
11.
11? Oh, that's too much, I think, Prakrit.
I got a drumstick.
Nice.
I got a drumstick. Then I got a drumstick.
I think that's enough for
And
now,
I got
yeah?
a drumstick.
Because you need to have mom too.
You got a drumstick too.
Yes.
I want 2. I want 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm 10. I'm 10. Why did you give me 1? Why did you give me 1? I want 10.
Ooh, nice.
I want 10. I want 10 of them. Just wait. Just wait. 10. 1, 2,
No, 10 would be too much, Prakrit.
3 for 3.
Yeah, maybe 3.
4.
How about 1? One more.
4.
You need to have mom.
Have a 1. Have a 2. Or 3. Or 3. Daddy got 10.
No, Dad only got 4. Right.
I'm not gonna eat my drumstick. I got 2 drumsticks. I'm gonna eat 1. Okay. Hard. Hard. Done.
How is it, Prabal?
Good.
Ooh. Finished. Well done. Wow. You finished it. Oh.
And my hands are slippery.
Now you need to wash your hands, okay? Prakrit, are you done too? You're still eating?
No.
Yeah. Is it that nice?
Yeah. Well, mine is super duper oily.
Mm-hmm.
Oily.
Yeah, it's gonna be oily, isn't it? Because it's chicken wings fat coming out.
Mm.
Alright guys, I think it's time to end the video.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.